Was that all of them? Was that all of them?
Everybody's cheering around here, too.
Hey! I think there's one more. There it comes.
Hey, come here. Come here, buddy.
I think he just started it.
They got water down there.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
It is cool. All your neighbors.
Oh, there's fire alarm. Yeah. One bit of fire!
He'll get the fire, don't worry about it. That's what Daddy's all about.
Woo! That looks amazing! Inject that.
Encore. Encore.
And encore. And those encore. I see little bits of fire. Mommy! Mommy! Go get my mom.
Well, she went inside for a second.
It's all like, whoop!
Yes, it is.
I'm right here. I'm checking on your sister.
Hey, can you put this on? Mommy, can you put this record stand up all by itself?
I want you touching it the whole time.
What?
I want you touching it the whole time.
Why?
Because if you're going to be out here videoing, you got to take care of that responsibility.
My eyes. just come on me.
Those are the ones you guys
Hey. Fireworks.
Now you know why we wait for a whole street for something, right?
Yes.
Now they know that fire can get on the streets.
Well, we make sure there's no houses.
Yeah.
They're on fire.
No.
Well, it's just the grass right now, baby.
Is it done now?
That was as big as the city one.
I know.
Oh yeah. Four really.
Well, then why don't they just
Well, the problem is they do the large fireworks, so they do what's called like 3-inch shells, whereas Darren does 1-inch shells.
Oh, really?
So he
Well, of course
does
we're a lot closer. These
Yeah.
seem way bigger than those.
exactly, and we have a lot of